versa because it's push. It's not like you could just like kill everyone and capture the point, you know, and then go back. We have to stay with the robot, or you know.
No. That's what the other team is for. That's what the rest of the team is for.
Yeah, we got 3 other people on the team. Think about it.
Period.
We
Okay,
kill.
I'm gonna
If
switch
we
my
get like
too.
2-3 picks, and they just like clean up, we're good.
Period.
Because we're just after the squishies, and then when we're on the floor, I'm after the tanks. So we're good. Think about it. Think about it. Alright, pick me up, Twain. Get me the fuck out of here. Let's go.
Whoa. So we don't have to go to that wall.
Okay, I'm here. It's just the cat goes a little too fast sometimes before my shift can recharge.
Get me after that fucking bar.
Nice.
Oh, mate.
She wasn't ready for it.
Yeah, the domino shooting me. I have to move around. Dang. Oh, W res.
Alright, come pick me up.
Come pick us up.
Yo, you. Hold on, this game is crazy. Hold on.
No.
Second. Oh, I just got slept like a bitch.
We out.
No. Pick me up. Let's go.
Diva is on that bar right there. Oh, right. That's it. Yeah, they're on my side.
She's dead. Focus the tank. Alright.
Right there.
Boom. Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover.
This is so fun.
It's just fun, man. Alright, go. On.
Oh my goodness.
Get me the fuck out of there.
Oh. I'm on my way, guys.
I'm ulting.
Hold on, I gotta heal this thing real quick.
Here, go. Here we go. Oh my gosh, you TP'd. I lost it for a second there. Alright, boom. Get me the fuck out of here. Okay. Where's that Ana? The Ana antied me, so where the fuck is she? Right here. Shit.
W res.
Holy shit.
Don't be freaking res.
Oh my god.
Pick me up, please. Get us out of there, bro. Get us out of there.
Yo, I think this is the best match so far.
Okay, this is fun. Okay. Alright.
Oh, shoot.
Sheesh.
Okay, guys.
Oh shit, get us out of here.
So, I need to save this gameplay and then record.
Give me out of here.
Wait, come towards me. I can hear you. Oh no.
Alright, I'm almost at it.
Fucking A.
Gang, let me know whenever the fuck you gonna do that, bro.
Yeah, that's not good. I'm sorry.
Everything. Pick me up.
No, No, he like got
No, I like
respawned
instant
immediately.
res. Like instant respawn, yeah.
Oh, probably face forward spawn.
Oh yeah, put me right over him. Put me right over him.
May right here, May right here.
I'm focusing the Ana right now. Far one tap. On. There we go, there we go.
Hey, Mace behind, Mace behind.
We're good.
Far over here.
I wanna fight that Farah.
Alright, we're going in. 3, 2, 1, let's go. She low-key broke my ankles.
Get the fuck out of here. I'm ulting. I'm ulting, get me out of here. I'm killing the Ana.
Oh, they swapped the cast.
I got 2 though. Give me, let me kill the rest.
Cast right here, cast right here. Kiriko, get the...
Diva. Alright, go.
Alright, we're gonna go on our side. I got my ult, so if I drop, you suddenly, you know, that's what it's about.
Just let me know, bro. Just let me know. Alright, I'm ult. It should be.
Where do you guys go?
Point. Right here.
Oh shit, I'm gonna die. It has a lot of impact, you guys low key.
Get out. Come on, grab him.
How the fuck do we live that? Chris, you drop me. Oh! What? Oh my gosh, I'm him. Holy. Yo, we're too good at this comp now. Alright. Far right here.
Right side.
Whoa.
Cast on the right side. You wanna go on him?
Yeah, go on cast.
He's by himself. Come on. I lied. Ana's right there too.
Fine, that's what we want. On him though.
Let's go. Cast.
Cast over here, cast over there, cast over there.
Where's Cass? Am I blind?
In this building.
Alright, go. Go to point.
Alright, I have my ult. If tank is there, I'm gonna use it.
Use it.
Using it on something. Well, I got the carrot though.
I'm dead. Dude, she's so low. It's me. Because I'm doing these amazing reses.
Oh, get me out of here.
Got you.
Oh. Hyper healer, faded.
Hey, that's game.
Oh, that was probably our best game. In terms of just mechanical skill, that was definitely our best game. Holy AC 130. Please, oh yeah. Oh, come on. You can't beat this. Oh yeah, look, I got 2 kills.
Конечно, не у вас есть.